to Nanny's Nest Preschool and Activity Center, and what we are doing? We are doing Learn from Home. So in today's video, we will see the long sound of vowel I. As I have told you in last video, whenever you see letter E at the end of any four-letter words, you will use the original sound of the vowel. Like for A, we have used the sound A. Same here, for the vowel I, we will use the sound I. So B-I-K-E will become bike. Okay? I. K-I-T-E will become kite. H-I-V-E will become hive. D-I-V-E, dive. R-I-D-E, ride. N-I-N-E, nine. P-I-N-E, pine. M-I-N-E, mine. L-I-N-E, line. D-I-N-E, dine. F-I-N-E, fine. S-I-D-E will become side. T-I-D-E will become tide. F-I-V-E will become five. Okay, so same as vowel A, we have used the same sound for the vowel I. So keep practicing at home. Take care. Bye bye.